Hey everyone, welcome back to MRJS. Today, I'm going to show you the easiest way to cut and trim your videos using CapCut PC. It's super simple. As you can see, I've already dragged my video down here onto the timeline. Step 1. The split. First, let's look at how to split a clip right down the middle. See this white line moving across the bottom? That's our playhead. Drag it exactly to the spot where you want to make your cut. Then, go up here and click this split icon. For a quick shortcut, just press Ctrl-B on your keyboard. See that? The video is now perfectly split into two separate pieces.
Now, let's say you want to remove the boring part to the left of this white line. Place the playhead exactly where you want it and click this icon with the left pointing arrow, called Delete Left. You can also just press the letter Q on your keyboard. Just like magic, the left side of the clip is completely gone. Alright, what if we want to remove a section on the right? Move the playhead to your desired spot and click the Delete Right icon, the one with the right pointing arrow. Or simply press the letter W on your keyboard. And just like that, the part to the right is instantly deleted.
So guys, by making a simple split first, and then using delete left or delete right, you can clean up your timeline super fast and save a ton of editing time. That's it for today's tutorial. If you found this helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more. See you in the next one.